Recently, I heard two words called less and fewer. All these words are the same. What is the difference between them? Are you wondering like this? This video is a solution for it. In this video, I'll teach you the difference between fewer and less. So let's jump into the video right now. I'm Yashwant and you're watching Yashwant Speaks. Less. Let's see the definition for less. Less means not as much. It refers to uncountable noun. We cannot count this now. Fewer. Let's see a definition for fewer. Fewer means not as many. It refers to countable noun. So let's see an example for it. Less. There's less salt at my house. I need to buy one. So here the subject is salt and salt cannot be counted. So I'm using less. And next example for fewer. Fewer. I have fewer pencils than my brother. So here the subject is pencil and pencil can be counted. So I'm using the word fewer. Let's see another example for both. First, let's start from less. Less. I have less water in the glass. Here, I'm using the word water. Water cannot be counted. So, I'm using less. And now for fewer. Fewer. There are only fewer boys in the class. Here, the subject is boys and boys are countable noun. So I use the word fewer. So here we saw one explanation for less and another explanation for fewer. So 2 explanation and 4 sentences. So we are going to see some grammar lessons in our upcoming videos. So keep watching. This is Yashwant Speaks.